Horses out, we have Lassa Zim, best to begin in between horses, Silver Glides, Delgaro, Sugar Mike, Showmaster, Pretty Bull comes next, Gracious Souls alongside I Will Survive, Promise, down on the inside, Winning Hand sailing away, then comes Pederer and Biodata is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn we have Delgaro by about 3/4 of a length. Right behind him second is Sugar Mike, moving up now to take third, Showmaster, Silver Glides dress back in fourth, last Sim in fifth, then followed by Pretty Bull, Gracious Souls, Promise, I Will Survive. Then comes Winning Hand, Federer, Biodata, and sailing away now trails the field. Meanwhile, we have Delgaro and Sugar Mike is already outside second. Coming closer now in third, Showmaster, last Sim in fourth. Then here comes Pretty Bull, Silver Glides, Gracious Souls, Promise, I Will Survive, Federer, Winning Hand, Biodata, and sailing away as they come there at the last 150. Delgaro, Sugar Mike, get on the outside, Showmaster, last the same, but it's still Delgaro, Sugar Mike, Showmaster, now moving up on the outside. Delgaro, Showmaster is on the outside. Delgaro, Showmaster, entering the finish line, close finish. Showmaster, Delgaro, then comes last sim, Pretty Bull, Sugar Mike.
11, 9-4. Parang dikit tayo dun sa